Alright guys, we're going to get back in it. This first one is number 46, the Sled kit, Experimenters, and it's got a clear red body. You can see through it. This one's got a special feature, clear red body, yellow metal base. Special feature is when you pull on these back wings, the seat comes out, and because it's got a see-through body, you can kind of see the action going on. Next is going to be number 47, the Porsche 944 Turbo, 89 Porsche 944 Turbo in red. This one's new for 2020. I think it looks pretty good. I remember seeing these on the road in red. Looks good. I like it. Next, going to be number 48, Power Rocket. This is an X-Racers. Can't get it open. Here we go. The red clear body, metal base. This one should be good for track. Number 49 is the Gruff X24. Also good for the track, as you can see by the card, having the car in the track there. This one's also metal base, white plastic body. But I think it's a pretty cool design. Like a 24 Hours of Le Mans racer with that center wing. Looks pretty good. It's pretty fast, adjustable front chin spoiler, so you can adjust it for the track. Next up, number 50, it's the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. This one's in red with a Mopar livery. We saw this as a Target Red Edition already. Check out my previous video for that. This is the non-red edition. Next up, number 51, the Chrysler Pacifica, like an off-road rally type minivan in red. This one's kind of grown on me. I think it's pretty dope. It's got the spare tires in the back. Looks pretty good, nice red color. Next up is number 52, the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600 in orange. This is the non-HWID version, so there's a Hot Wheels ID version of this car, if you find it, with Spectraflame paint and a metal and a RFID chip in the bottom. This is the regular version. Still looks good in the orange. Number 53 is the Rockin' Santa Sled. This came out just in time for Christmas. Experimenters in chrome and gold. It's got a special feature when you roll the wheels in the back that the Santa goes back and forth, which is kind of hard to tell here, but you can see him moving a little bit. Interesting casting. Not my cup of tea, but here it is. Some of you guys might like it. Number 54 is the Embosser, like a tow truck. You can put another car on there. It also has a special feature. This part pushes down, and if you put a piece of paper in the little slot, then it will give you the Hot Wheels flame logo. So you got a metal base and a metal insert to make that embossing work really well. Everything else is plastic. This guy's big. Number 55 is new for 2020. It's the Total Disposal. It's a little garbage truck. Plastic body, metal base. I wish this had a action feature, some kind of moving part, but it doesn't. It's cute. Number 56 is the Batplane. This is new for 2020 casting as well. Pretty cool design. Batman logo. Comes with a little stand. You can take the stand off. You can fly it around. This metal part, the middle part's metal, and the wings outside are plastic. Stand fits in this little keyhole slot at the bottom for your display. Like that. Looks pretty good. We come to number 57, the Volvo 850 Estate, in based on an actual racing livery from the British racing car series, I believe. It's pretty nice, new for 2020, in white. Number 58 is going to be the 64 Chevy Impala. It's from the Tune series. This casting is an older casting that we haven't seen in a while. I think it's pretty nice, especially with everybody liking Impalas lately. Go back and try to see if you can find some of those older castings. Nice metal flake blue. Looks pretty good. Metal body, plastic base. Number 59, the 65 Ford Mustang convertible. This is from the James Bond movie Thunderball. This is also an older casting. It's been retooled. It used to have a opening hood, and it used to have a metal base, but now it's a metal body, plastic base. A light blue. Still looks good. And number 60 is the Head Starter, also from the Tune series. This one's probably good on the track, has this big chunk of metal engine, gives it some weight. Pretty fun little casting. Number 46, number 47, number 48, number 49, number 50, number 51, number 52, number 53, number 54, number 55, number 56, number 57. Number 58. Number 59. Number 60.